Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I'm gonna talk about homeschooling. I do not think that the homeschooling system is the best education system to use. Although parents of homeschooling students think it is better because of the manageable situation. I think homeschooling system do not work all of the learning aspect that formal school usually reach, such as in the learning process, socialization, and in the self-development of the children.
Learning aspect in the school is not only how to understand the material of the content of the subject, but also how to experience directly what happens in my surroundings. The homeschooling students decide which phase that they like the most and which thing that they to learn deeper on it.
The aspect of the learning process also needs a good socialization of the children. Homeschooling students just socialize with people around them that they know well, and impossible to do something bad to them. They do not experience having a good response to react to something happen around to them, which is important as social being.
Finally, one-to-one learning that is applied in homeschooling program does not guarantee that the children have a good development to face their real future. They do not exactly understand how to control and face the problem that they do not want to have because their surroundings really comfort them.
The standard of learning in this system makes students not educationally successful. The system just like a control of the student development. If so that it is not the best way to teach or education the children.
Number 1, social function, to tell readers that homeschooling is not always effective. Number 2, graphic structure. Thesis, paragraph 1, argument, paragraph 2, 3 and 4, reiteration, paragraph 5. 3. Language feature. A. The use as rational process the system just like a controller of the student development. B. Use simple present tense. I do not think homeschooling system is the best education system to use. C. Use external conjunction. The homeschooling student decides which phase that they like the most, which thing they want to learn deeper in it. D. Use internal conjunction. Learning aspect in the school is not only how to understand the material or the content of a subject, but also how experience directly what happened in my surrounding. A. Use casual conjunction because of meaningful situation. F. Non-human participant. I think homeschooling system do not warp all of the learning aspect that formal school actually reach.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kami dari kelas 11 IPS 3 akan menjelaskan tentang text analytical expression yang beranggotakan Cindy, Repina, Firda, Alia, Rio, Rapi, Topik.
Management of trash is very important in Indonesia as one of the countries with big amounts of trash. For mine sectors, proper management is necessary. Firstly, it is important to provide healthy environment. When the trash is not managed well, it will create air where bacteria can live.
Moreover, it can cause some health issues, and breathing issues become one of them that can be caused by bad smell of the trash. Furthermore, bad management of trash can lead to flood. When it is not managed well, trash can block the flow of water. As the result, water debit can increase during the rainy season, and the channels of water cannot deliver the water well. That is why it is very important to manage the trash, and it is better to promote the recycling process.
The function of the analytical exposition text about waste is to make people aware of how to dispose of waste in its place and create a healthy environment.
The general structure of the text is thesis is in paragraph 1, argument in paragraph 2 and 3, and reiteration in paragraph 4.
Language filter analytical text exposition text trash. 1. Relation process. That's why it is very important to manage the trash, and it is better to promote the recycling. 2. Simple present tense. As one of the countries with a big amount of trash from many sectors. 3. External conjunction and breathing issues to manage the trash and is better when it is not managed well during the rainy season and the channel of water. 4. Internal conjunction. As the result, water debit can increase. 5. Causal conjunction. It is caused some health can be caused by bad smell of the trash. When it is not managed well, trash can block the flow of water. 6. Contrastive conjunction. Trash
Turns out form of group. Sorry if the admin text. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good job.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce us from Social Elephant Class 3. My name is Tanti Sri Rahayu.
My name is Nisa Siti Nurjana.
My name is Tia Julianti.
My name is Wilis Mawati.
My name is Rafia from Dayun.
Castle be banned in city. Castle be banned in city as we know cause creative pollution and cause a lot of fraud and another accident. Firstly, cars as we all know contribute to most of the pollution in the world. Cars emit a deadly gas that causes illness such as breath disease, lung cancer, and triggers of asthma. Some of these illnesses are so bad that people can die from them.
Secondly, the city is very vast, pedestrians wander everywhere, and cars commonly hit pedestrians in the city when cause them to the cars today are world's biggest killers. Thirdly, cars are very noisy. If you live in the city, you may find it hard to sleep at night or concentrate on your homework, and especially take your commute. In conclusion, cars should be banned from the city for the reasons listed.
Explanation. The first paragraph is thesis, where the author introduces the topic he wants to discuss, namely about cars that should be prohibited from operating in the city.
In the second dear end for paragraph, namely the argument, where the author suggests several reasons why cars should operate in the city.
Slash 5 paragraph is reiteration, i.e. introduction. The main idea in the first paragraph, namely that cars should be prohibited from operating in cities.
Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wow.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Sinta Amarinda.
Nama saya Anggita Nur Latif.
Nama saya Rika Agustin.
Nama saya Nindi Syarul Fitria.
Nama saya Tiara Nurhalisa.
Kami dari kelas 11 IPS 3.
Di sini kami akan mempresentasikan tentang contoh teks analytical exposition. The title is bullying. For the first and second paragraph is thesis.
Bullying is the use of force or coercion to abuse or intimidate others. The behavior can be habitual and involve an imbalance of social or physical power. It can include verbal harassment or threat, physical assault or coercion, and may be directed repeatedly towards particular victims, perhaps on grounds of race, religion, gender, sexuality, or ability. The victim of bullying is sometimes referred to as a target.
Bullying can occur in any context in which human beings interact with each other. This includes school, church, family, the workplace, home, and neighborhoods. Bullying is absolutely wrong for several reasons.
The third, 4, 5 paragraph is argument 1, 2, and 3.
First, number 1, to get bullied. Imagine if you or your family member is one who is being bullied. What do you think will happen to him or her? Number 1, to live his or her life like a pregnant rabbit, right?
Second, the victim can take revenge by telling their parents, teacher, or even your principal about what you have done to them, and surely you will be in very, very big trouble.
Finally, bullying can result in very serious consequences. Maybe it is done for fun, but the victim can consider it as a deeply traumatic experience that can lead to depression or even suicide. When that happens, surely you will forever be regretful.
For the last paragraph is reiteration. From the fact above, it is clear that bullying is wrong and it only brings negative impacts. The language features, focusing in generic human participants, use connective in 3, 4, 5 paragraph, use simple present tense in all paragraph. For example, bullying is the of force or coercion to abuse or intimidate others. Others is simple present tense. Or bullying is absolutely wrong for several reasons. The reasons is simple present tense. Use external conjunction. For example, the behavior can be habitual and involve an imbalance of social or physical power. The words and or are included in the external conjunction of addition.
Sekian dari kami.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good job!